everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be discussing about writing in a file. That is our write method. Before we start understanding this method, let's have a small recap on what we have learned in our previous session. So in our previous session, we learned about the reading mode in a file. Reading mode allows us to read a file and print the lines inside the Python. With the help of the reading mode, we can read the whole file. We can read the whole lines inside it. We can read one single line at a time. We can use a for loop to read all the lines and print it in a different lines, and we can use the read method, which allows us to read a number of characters in Python. So guys, today we will be discussing about the write method over here. Write method allows us to write in a file. So if you want to write something inside a file, we can use the write method over here. Let's see how it works. So guys, for our write method also, we have the similar steps that we had for the reading method. First of all, for write method also, we will be opening the file. So I'll be taking f is equals to a variable over here. So f is equals to open. Which file I want to open? I want to open demo.txt, comma, in the writing mode. So this time pay attention that I am not using R, that means the reading mode over here. I'll be using a writing mode because I want to write inside the file. So for reading a file, we learned a.read lines. That means we were reading the lines. Here for writing inside the file, we will be using the write method. That f.write and whatever text we want to add over here. So I already have a demo.txt file which has three lines, three parts of Harry Potter's over here. So inside this file, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this data and I'll be writing Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. So I'll be writing Harry Potter in the Order of the Phoenix. Okay, once we are done with this method, once we are done with writing what we have to write, all you can do is you can close the file. So f.close. Closing a file is very important, guys. So always do remember, once you have done any operation inside a file, do close the file. Right? Now let's run and see what happens. So here nothing happened because we haven't used any print statement to print the file. But if I go to demo.txt, you will notice over here that the three lines which were written over here previously are completely gone from here. And we have the new line over here, that is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. So this is how we can write inside a file. Now this was about the file that already existed. What if we have a file that does not even exist? In that case, what it will do? So for example, if I write f is equals to open, let's say I have a file that does not even exist, quotes.txt, comma, I'm opening it in a writing mode. And I'll write f.write. Inside it, maybe I'll write a quote. So I'm going to write a quote over here. Worry less, smile more. Right? So after this, I will be closing my file by writing f.close. And open close the brackets over here. Let's see what happens when there is a file which does not exist is written over here. So when I run it, you will notice that over here a new file has been created, that is quotes.txt. This file was not there previously. If I double click on this, I get a text over here, worry less, smile more. So guys, if you don't have a file, already existing file over here, this writing mode will also create a file for you and write the data inside it. So guys, this was our writing mode. I hope you guys have no doubts and no question in what writing mode is and how writing mode works over here in Python. In our next session, we will be discussing about the appending mode. So stay connected, guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.